What you need to know about all new Cadillac Optic. Very impressive rear part with these beautiful welcome lights and the same beautiful situation in front. Damn. It's starting at 54K. Watercolor, monarch orange, luxurious. Crazy range, 300 miles. Oof. Standard dual motor, all-wheel drive. Gorgeous, all new interior made with recycled materials. And look how beautiful it's here. Somewhere there, 288 horsepower and 333 pounds of torque. And here in the front we have a charging port. Looks good. 21-inch wheels with very nice design. Nice. Send this luxury to your friends and follow Alan Drives to see more.
This is the Optic, Cadillac's brand new luxury EV. Let's check it out. The Optic is equipped with 288 horsepower. It has 300 miles of range and can charge 70 miles in just 10 minutes. The interior is where this car really shines.
This is the collection fabric woven with 100% recycled yarns and tied also using repurposed fibers.
So the interior is super spacious. You have tons of storage space here, a huge 33-inch screen, and also these fun little hobknockers.
Optic is all about sound. We've got standard Dolby Atmos in this vehicle with 19 speakers supporting a 7.1.4 audio.
Cadillac Mondrian pattern inspired the Cadillac emblem, laminated in 2 panes of glass. Flow-through spoiler to keep the rear window clean. No wipers.
No wipers. And the Optic comes with 21-inch wheels on the front and the back.
Optic is purposely designed to be fun to drive. Frequency-dependent dampers, structural stiffness that's off the charts, and dual compound tires for range and agility.
The largest storage space in its class. Dude, you want to check it out?
Yeah?
Yeah. Check it out, man. This car is luxury.
Big.
It's sick.
It's sick.
Check it out,
yeah.
man.
Wait, what? Hey!